baking soda, food coloring, and you can use some eyedroppers, medicine droppers, pipettes, and just a clear tray.
Okay.
So first we're going to put the food coloring into our tray, just a few drops.
And then we're going to do another food coloring of the drop. And then we're going to do another food coloring drop. And the dog is on a pole!
Can you give me that white bowl that's on the floor? Okay. So then you cover your food coloring with the baking soda.
Yeah, we cover it.
Alright, and now this is the fun part. Come on, kids. Take your medicine dropper. You can use any color you want. Section in the vinegar.
Here?
And then squeeze it over the baking soda. Let's see what happens.
Which one's orange?
What's happening? Whoa, what is that? What do you see happening?
Orange?
Okay, what's happening? Can you try this one?
Kyla, get on my pathway! I never said yes!
Okay, yeah, let's do some more.
Kyla!
Cupcake, pay attention what you doing.
Whoa, I see bubbles. Do you see bubbles?
Whoa.
Alright, try this one. What do you think's happening?
It's an explosion.
And this is something that kids of all ages can do.
Can
So
I
you got
touch
some?
it? Can I touch it?
Hey, Deuces, Cupcake.